Besties, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, my name is Leendo and this is my kitchen. This is where I share recipes with you guys, whether it's baking, whether it's cooking or desserts, you name it. So yeah, if this is your first time, please remember to also click the subscribe button down below so that you can become a bestie, and be part of this family. And to my returning besties, welcome back besties. I'm so happy to have you guys back here and I truly appreciate you guys for being here. Anyway, today we'll be making caramel blueberry scones. So I'm going to be sharing that recipe with you guys. And I really hope that you do enjoy it when you try it out. And also let me know how it went if you do eventually try it out on the comment section below, or even on my other social media platforms. So yeah, let's just get right into the ingredients.
Ooh, when I'm feeling so hungry, I go watch my favorite girl. When she's cooking and baking, I love that delicious dessert. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen, I love you, Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen, I love you, Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo.
Okay besties, so over here I have the ingredients for the caramel blueberry scones. So I'm just gonna take you guys through them one by one so that you know what ingredients you need and what quantity. So firstly, we've got here 2.5 cups of cake wheat flour. So that is the normal flour that I usually use. And then I have over here 3/4 cup of caster sugar. However, you can use the normal granulated white sugar, or you can even use icing sugar. So any of the 3 sugars, it's fine. And then I have here 110 grams of margarine. You can also use butter. So make sure that the margarine or butter that you are using is nice and cold. Yeah, you don't want it to be, melted and stuff. And then we also have here 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I've got 2 eggs, and then I have caramel essence, which is caramel flavoring. So remember I said these are caramel blueberry scones, so we're gonna use the caramel flavoring the caramel flavoring instead of vanilla essence. So with the caramel essence, you will be needing 2.5 teaspoons of it. And then I also have here I've got amasi, or you can even use buttermilk. If you don't have, you can also use just normal milk, it's still fine. So I'm going to be using here 3/4 cup. And then lastly, I have blueberries, of course. So the blueberries over here, it's about 3/4 cup as well. So but it's obviously entirely dependent on you, how many blueberries you want, so you can decide the quantity of the blueberries. But I think this will do very well with this recipe. And yeah, basically these are the ingredients that we need. So yeah, let's get right into the baking. Okay besties, so as you know, with scones, we're first gonna start by mixing the dry ingredients together. So remember here I've got my flour, so I'm adding my baking powder, and then I'm just going to mix a bit. about 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna let them cool down a bit before I take them out of the pan. But they smell so amazing, and yo, I can't wait to actually eat them. And they're super soft. Oh, they're very soft. So I'm just gonna let them cool down a bit, and then yeah, we'll take them out. And yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video, and please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you try the recipe out, please do let me know on the comment section below. And yeah, I'll be catching you besties on my next video. Bye.
Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Leendo's kitchen. I love you, Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendo's kitchen. Pekka come Leendo's kitchen. I love you, Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Yeah, you Pekka come. I get good on my seat when I watch your